Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. So let's start. Well, first you have to check if you are available to use this. For checking this, just go to your main menu, then let's go down and let's get help and support. Then let's go to help center. Now that we are in help center, just write the next dating. So here appears the option Facebook dating, just click that. And now you have to check the dating terms. Here you have to check if everything is alright here, and also you can check who can use Facebook dating. And remember, if you are at least 18 years old, you can use it, okay? And you have to live in the country where dating is available. For example, here you can check the countries that are available to use Facebook dating. If your country didn't appear in this list, probably you can't use it. Also, you can check the restricts. If you aren't 18 or older, you can use it, or if you are a new user or inactive account, you can use it. Or in case that you went against our terms of service or community standards or other policies. So you can check everything here. In case that everything is alright, the Facebook dating will appear here in the main menu. You can click here and you can find the option Welcome Facebook Dating. Just start and you can use it. Well guys, I hope this worked for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.